In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in ClickUp. Labels are a great way to visually organize and categorize your tasks, making it easier to track and manage your projects effectively. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this feature efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your ClickUp account. If you're not yet familiar with where everything is located, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Logging in is the first essential step as it gives you full access to all your projects and lists. Once you're logged in, navigate to the List view. For this demonstration, we'll be using Project 1 within Tests Workspace. It's important to ensure you're in the right project workspace, as this is where you'll be organizing your tasks using labels. So, from your dashboard, locate and select your list or project to proceed. Within your selected workspace, look for the plus icon. This is often located near the task fields, and clicking on it allows you to add new attributes to your tasks. In this instance, we're focused on adding labels, which will help us categorize each task appropriately. After clicking on the plus icon, you'll need to type in labels into the search or add field. ClickUp is very intuitive and responsive, so as soon as you start typing, it should guide you to the right options. Typing in labels will help you access the multi-select options, allowing you to customize your tasks with these essential label fields. Once you have typed in labels, click on Add multi-select options to your tasks with customizable label fields. This action enables you to set up a system that fits your team's needs, whether you're tracking progress, priority, or type of task. It's time to actually enter your specific labels. In the next field, type in the label name you desire. It could be something like In Progress. It's always a good practice to keep label names clear and descriptive so everyone on your team can easily understand their purpose. Next, click on Suggest. This can help sort through existing labels and avoid duplications. After that, click on Create to finalize your new label. Now you can see this label is ready to be used and associated with the relevant tasks. With your labels created, you can apply them to tasks by simply clicking on Highlight and selecting the label that fits the current status or priority of the task, such as Urgent, Backlog, or Milestone. This highlights different stages of your project, so you and your team have a clear view of where everything stands at all times. And that's it. By utilizing labels in ClickUp, you can enhance your project management process, ensuring that each task is easily identifiable and organized accurately. Feel free to explore, add more labels, and customize them as per your needs. We hope this guide helps you streamline your ClickUp experience.